Hello everybody, Scout Train Spotter 1999 here, and today I'm at Water Orton. There is the 11:02 service to Leicester, 170-104, and we're actually delayed by 2 minutes. Oh well, could be worse I guess. So you'll be seeing services only by CrossCountry. And hopefully we might see a little bit of freight, but as this is quite a quite a hub for passing cross-country services, should be a great station, and I'm looking forward to this. Also, this is the first time, well actually no, I'm on a day ranger, so I'm doing 4 stations today, and this is the first out of 4. So then let's see what shall arrive and depart then. And now passing through now, we're going to have a service to Cardiff, formed of a cross-country 170. 170-112. To Cardiff Central. Do you know where it came from, Grace? Well, it came from Nottingham and it's off to Cardiff Central. And also we have a Voyager ready to pass by.
Voyager off to Birmingham, I think.
No, that's off up north. It's off to Edinburgh.
Off to Edinburgh.
Oh god, here we go. You're at it again, aren't you? And that was 221.
I think it was 184.
It was 134.
134.
I got.
134.
And that came from Plymouth and it's bound for Edinburgh.
Came from Plymouth to Edinburgh, guys.
And now passing through, we're going to have a 221 Super Voyager bound for Reading.
Reading to Edinburgh.
220-030, so I was wrong about the Super Voyager.
To Reading to Edinburgh.
And that is bound for Reading.
Oh my god.
Ah, that's better.
Was it from
And now, I don't know actually. And now passing through
now passing through the first freight of the day.
is going to be that. I still don't know what one of them are. I always call them a track layer because they've got like little bits on them, but I always say that and then I'm wrong. Well, it's DR73. No, it was 947. Yeah.
And brilliant two-tone more from the driver.
And a fantastic 2-tone there. Do you not have 3 horns on it as well? 3 on the side.
Oh, that was brilliant. Let's go.
Oh, I'm passing through now, out of complete nowhere, is a 170, bound for Birmingham New Street. 170-103. I think that's a slow line. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But that's a slow line. But, you know, it's a not bad station, this. You get your cross-countries. Well, you get your set variety, which I like. And now, passing through now, we're going to have another 170 bound for Stansted Airport. I think. Let me just check. No, Nottingham. 170-115 bound for Nottingham instead of Stansted Airport. But it's gone via Derby, as it says on there. So, cool. And now passing through rather slowly is going to be a passing service for Stansted Airport via Leicester and Peterborough. Did he go via? Oh yeah. And also via Ely and Cambridge, yeah. And every single station in between. I don't know where that is. but it is 170,522. Via Cambridge to Stansted Airport. And now ready to pass through the station, we're going to have a Voyager.
We have a Voyager.
This is to Newcastle.
Newcastle.
220, I don't know.
024.
024.
220,024. Rob has got brilliant eyes.
And now passing through now, we're going to have a service to Birmingham New Street. I like it. Uh, 170, 106. And as it's revving its engine up, on the front headboard it said it was a Turbostars Class 170. So for people who are not entirely interested in trains and they don't know what train that is, now you know, because the headboard says it's a 170. And now passing through, we're going to have a 56. Oh my god, he has to do it. What? 56081 with a fantastic two-tone. Oh, thank you so much, driver. You absolute legends. Well done, Jace.
Thank you.
I love you. Not really. And now ready to pass through is going to be a 170 to, I don't know. To Nottingham, it is 173.97. I'm making a great three-tone there. And now passing through, we're going to have a HST. (43,304) and 43,303 with a nice, great little two-tone there. I think that bound for painting, or well, it came from Glasgow, I think, and it's bound for painting. That's what I think. But what is the? Yes, that has, and as that passes through, that shall be the final train of the day, because our train's nearly here. So thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my Water Orton video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Any comment, questions, or anything about the channel, please leave in the comment section, and I will try my utmost best to comment them as soon as I possibly can. Here today was Rob Public Transport Videos, Train Game 02, and Trains Fan UK. I like it. And yeah, so do what you have to do. Like their videos, subscribe their channels. My next station is going to be Smethwick Galton Bridge for part 2 of my West Midlands day trip. So I'm looking forward to that. So yes, from me here at Water Orton, I shall see you all in Smethwick, guys. Bye, guys.